In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Grammarly Cookie. We're going to walk through installing a Cookie Manager extension from the Chrome Web Store so you can view and understand cookies related to sites you use. This is helpful for troubleshooting sign-ins, understanding session behavior, or managing your own data. Use these tools responsibly and only with your own accounts in line with site terms and local laws. Start by opening your web browser. You can use Chrome or another Chromium-based browser with extension support. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu. This menu is where most browser settings and tools live. Click it to open the drop-down. From here, hover your mouse over the extensions option. Don't click yet, just pause your cursor over it. A side menu should appear, giving you shortcuts related to your extensions and the Chrome Web Store. When you see the option to visit the Chrome Web Store, go ahead and select it. This will open the official store in a new tab where you can safely find and add browser extensions. In the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to type the word cookie. You're looking for a reputable Cookie Manager extension titled Cookie. On the results page, click the listing to open its detail page. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct extension page by checking the description, screenshots, and user reviews. This helps ensure you're installing a trustworthy tool that does what you expect. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation will pop up to let you know what permissions the extension needs. Review those details so you understand what access the tool requires to function. If everything looks good, click Add extension to confirm. Your browser will download and install the extension, and you should see a brief confirmation message once it's done. At this point, you've successfully added a cookie manager to your browser. With it installed, you can more easily inspect and manage cookies for sites you use, including understanding how sessions and preferences are stored. Remember, cookies often contain sensitive information tied to your personal sign-ins, so treat them carefully and avoid sharing or copying them. Use cookie tools only for your own accounts and purposes you're authorized to perform. That's the full process. Open your browser, use the three-dot menu, hover over extensions, visit the Chrome Web Store, search cookie, select the cookie extension, click Add to Chrome, and confirm Add extension. Thanks for watching, and use these tools thoughtfully to keep your browsing secure and under your control.